Hello, this is Information Service Engineering, lecture number 6, putting it all together. We are going to give you a short overview of what you are going to learn in this lecture. We will start with the linked data programming, where there we are going to check all the components we need in coding a linked data-based web application, and we will start by coding one.
In the second part, then, you will learn about knowledge mining and information extraction. There, we will talk about data visualization, so we will arrange data in a way that they are prepared for further visual analysis, and we will do this on a specific example.
Then we will continue by examining the terms like knowledge discovery and knowledge mining. We will talk about data analysis, how do we prepare the data for data analysis, and later, in the next part of the lecture, we will do the analysis on the already gathered data, and we will check the results and the outcome of those.
And since we have already the data, we will also make use of it to make some predictions, and for that, we will use what we have learned in the previous lecture about machine learning. So we will apply a machine learning model on the data to perform some prediction tasks. After that, we will go on and with a further application, which will be semantic search. So there you will learn how we can apply semantic technology to aid and to improve the information retrieval process towards a semantic search. And this, of course, is not the end of the process. You can further improve search and retrieval by enabling so-called exploratory search. Exploratory search systems are closely related to recommender systems. This means besides giving you perfect and exact answers to your query, they are also providing information what could be also of interest for you, which is nearby, which is similar. So this is a close relationship between exploratory search and recommender systems. Okay, so let's start with the very first part, linked data programming.